residents of Earth. It is I, Christina, here at Fit and Bendy in Los Angeles, answering a very common question: how do I get more flexible? I've got some ideas and tips and tricks for you, and flexibility is going to help your whole body feel juicier. So let's get to it. Number 1, posture. The way we stand has a huge effect on our body's ease and fluidity of movement. If we tend to stand hunched forward or super archy, these positions will create situations where our body gets tight and crunchy in certain places. Ideally, we would like to be standing with our ear over our shoulder, over our hip, over our ankle in a nice straight line. And what that will do is create a situation where my muscles don't have to be working as hard to hold me up, and I can therefore move more fluidly. Number 2, movement. Our bodies are made to move, and if you don't move it, you lose it. So I'm not talking about hardcore stretching. I'm not talking about crazy workouts. I'm just talking about moving your body through its full range of motion every day. If my arm is capable of doing this, I should do it every day. If my leg is capable of doing this, I should do it every day. Circle through the hips, through the knees, through the ankles, through the wrists, through the toes, through the eyeballs. My body will benefit from constantly reinforcing that it is capable of those movements so that I can access them more easily whenever it is that I need to. Number 3, targeted strengthening. If you want to learn more about the root causes of tightness, check out my video link below, but I'll give you a hint. One of them is weakness. When our body is weak, it struggles more to move us through our day, and it doesn't have the same ease of movement. So if you know, for instance, that your glutes are weak, that's going to create tightness through the front of your hip most of the time. And targeted strengthening of the glutes will help your whole hip socket loosen up and feel more juicy, which is a lot of fun. So it's important to investigate your body, figure out those areas that are struggling, and give them that support. Number 4. Hydrate. Water. Our bodies are so much more fluid when there's fluid in our bodies. So drink up. Cheers, folks. Number